Good morning. How are you? I just wanted to go ahead and create a video for you to show you what I'm seeing on the market. And I'm going to go into the MLS here and just do a quick search to see exactly what I'm seeing as the market dictates. And here we go. So I'm actually in the MLS. I'm going to go ahead and go into the portal, and then what you'll be able to see throughout the portal is how actually buyers are shopping. So what they're going to be doing is looking in your neighborhood, and then hopefully taking a look at about 5 to 7 homes when they go out shopping, which is usually what happens in a neighborhood. So I'm just going to do a radius search. We're going to do a 2-mile search in the neighborhood. We're going to be very specific with our criteria. So we're going to go all the way out to 2 miles on 1103 Kenwall here in Concord. We're going to look for just single-family homes. We only want to see what's active on the market today. And we're going to look at 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So 3 beds, 2 baths. Let's see what that pulls up as active. So we get 28 results. These are current active homes, 2-mile radius search around Kenwall. And let's go in here and just base everything off of square footage. So that way we're looking at square footage in our area. The square footage is going to be anywhere from 1131 to, we'll go all the way up and look at about 1420. So starting off, we have the first one here, which is 1345 Vermont Avenue, listed on the 4th at 575. I just really want to point out specs and the way the property shows. Clayton Valley Highlands neighborhood, 3-2, built in 1961, 1,131 square feet on a 7,000 square foot lot. Looks like a similar footprint. Nice photos, clean backyard. Has a bit of an upslope similar to ours. That overhang is very beautiful. Side entrance there. There's that shot of the front yard again. And that one is listed for $575 on market at $10,400. This one is 1,134 square feet, 3-2, price at $639, 4706 Lara. And this was listed on 7/13, July 13th, at the price of $639.9. It's been sitting on the market. Not too many pictures. Can't really see the property. And it's listed at $639. It's been sitting on the market since July 13th. So the home is built in 1952, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,134 square feet on a 11,000 square foot lot. So a nice big lot. It's a bit of a shame they didn't show off the yard size and give more pictures of the backyard. Maybe it's a downslope or something like that. Large backyard, possible RV parking, it says. There's Lara again. Here's our Kenwall, 3-2, 1,150 square feet, listed on 9/14. This is the next one that was just newly listed. It's 1,204 square feet, 4317 Cowell Road. Actually, sorry, excuse me. This one was listed at 712 July 12th, 2018. And it's built in 1956 with a square footage lot size of 9,150 square feet. So similar in comparison based off lot size, excuse me. Pleasant Hill, Walnut Creek area, Cluster Bart. Let's take a look at some pictures here. So you see some hardwood floors, some crown molding, nice French door, more of a U-shaped kitchen, bathroom is nice, does have a pool, nice big backyard, and a jacuzzi. Looks like they also did a new fence here. Okay. Then we have 1245 square foot, 1454 Belair Drive, 674. Price reduction listed in August, and they just did a price reduction. Let's see the property history on this one. So originally they listed it at 749. It's down to 674, and they reduced the price on October 8th. Let's take a quick look at these pictures. So it is a unique piece of property, large lot size, and there's some plans or drawings for future. No upgrades in the kitchen, bathroom's tiled, nice big driveway. And that's built in 1953, listed on August 9th. And I showed you some of the property history on that. This is 1,253 square foot on Dubey Court, 4278, listed for $529. And I'm just going to disregard this one because it is part of an association. Okay, now we have 1,304 square feet, Springview Court. Let's take a look at this. And this is listed at $599, was listed on the 10th. So just recently listed, 1,304 square feet on a very small lot. It's a 3-2 built in 1976. And let's just take a look at some pictures real quick of the property. It's the quartz countertop. So it looks like the kitchen, it almost looks like a flip to me, just based off the way the colors are done and the things that I see in the property. So I would say that this was either a full rehab or a potential flip. The upside is it has a lot of upgrades, seems like a newer roof. The downside is a small lot. So people are looking for a lot of upgrades right now, so they may just go for it, but it is priced at $599, just listed. So depending on what the lot size, it will either deter or help more people into this property. it is part of an HOA with some of the things such as the green belt and shopping, tennis play area, things like that. So just newly listed, $599. This is a 3.2, 1355 square footage at $579 on Shell Lane, listed on the 24th of August. And this is a more of a subdivision, excuse me. So just want to make sure that you're seeing this as well, because this is what people will see when they're out shopping, and they will eventually make it to this property before making a decision on what property to get. And there's 20 pictures there. This is 3.2, listed on August 24th. In 1994 is the year built. Square footage is 1355, and this is part of an HOA, so I wouldn't necessarily use this as a comp, but definitely buyers would probably take a look at this property while being out and shopping in the neighborhood. I'm going to look at two more with you. Pamplona at 1,420 square feet. This is priced at $639. It's been on the market since July, so it was listed right before the 4th of July weekend, which means that maybe they did have a nice group of buyers show up that weekend or not. It's built in 1974. Let's take a look at some pictures. Okay, and let's take a look at one more. This is 3.2, 1,420 square feet, 1835 Las Ramblas, just 612,889. And let's take a look at this property real quick. This is listed September 14th, so listed right around the time that we listed our property. 3.2, built in 1974 at 1,420 square feet on a 6,300 square foot lot. Over $30,000 in upgraded yard, Trex decking, a lot of looks like a lot of upgrades in here. 2-car garage, detached. Let's take a look at some pictures. It's a clean backyard, nice area, good overhang. Yeah, I can see that he's done some work to the outside of the property with the stamped concrete and all of that. Let's just look at the property history really quickly. So originally it was priced at $624. The price reduction just happened on the 10th at $612,889, and just wanted to give you a picture of that one. Okay, so that's basically it. What I want to point out is some of these homes have been sitting on the market for a while. The market has started to slow just because of the interest rates, and I think that's mainly what has stopped some of these homes from selling quickly. What I would recommend is looking at what buyers are looking at, and certainly taking a look at the price. I know that we are priced at $599. I have a price in mind where I think that we need to get closer to. This is just what buyers are looking for when they're shopping in your neighborhood. This is a 2-mile radius. There are some 3.2s, but anything over 1,400 square feet would not be a comparable home. Ours is more like closer to, I would say, in the 12 to 1,300 square foot, and 1,400 being a little high. So I wanted to make sure that you see what I'm seeing. Go ahead and take a look at this video. Just wanted to get you a market update on this. Homes based off days on market. depending on how long things have sat around. So to